Oh shit. Is that a tornado warning?
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the
Yep.
following Maryland counties: Allegheny and Washington, plus the following West Virginia counties: Hampshire and Morgan. Effective until 5:35 p.m. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for western Washington County, in north-central Maryland, east-central Allegheny County, in western Maryland, northwestern Morgan County, in the Panhandle of West Virginia, northeastern Hampshire County, and eastern West Virginia. Until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles southeast of Fort Ashby, or 9 miles northeast of Romney, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: for those in the direct